Hi everyone, I'm Melencio and welcome to Online Course Blueprint. So join me in this journey of a transformative learning experience through creating your online courses and selling it to people who needs these courses. In this comprehensive course, I will guide you through 8 essential steps that will take you from defining your course to successfully sell it to eager learners worldwide. I'll help you discover the perfect course topic, create compelling content, choose the right platform, and implement effective marketing strategies. You'll learn how to launch your course with excitement and continuously improve its impact and value. Whether you're passionate about sharing your skills or knowledge or creativity, this blueprint will equip you with the tools and strategies needed to succeed in the competitive world of online education. So, are you ready to transform your expertise into a profitable and rewarding online course? Join us on this journey of learning, growth, and achievement. Let's embark together on the path to success.